Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your HubSpot account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create an invoice in HubSpot? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an invoice in HubSpot anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your clients require you to send them an invoice to present to their payments department. And with HubSpot, you can go ahead and create those invoices for free. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HubSpot account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HubSpot account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an invoice, what you're going to do is here on the left, go ahead and open up this menu, and you want to look for this button here called Commerce. Once you click there, another drop-down menu is going to happen, and you want to click on the invoice button. Okay, so here you will see all of the invoices you might have already created in HubSpot. However, to set up a new invoice, click on this button here on the top right called Create Invoice. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and add the contact. So let me click on here. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose a contact that you already have in your HubSpot by just clicking on one of these little circles. If it's going to be a new contact, you can click right here and create new. Okay, so here you're going to go ahead and just enter in their email, first and last. Once you've entered in that information, you go ahead and fill out more information if you want to do that. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use an existing contact. Okay, I've chosen a contact. I'm going to click on save. Okay, now we can go ahead and change the invoice date if you need to. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it for today. This is the date that I'm recording, and then the payment term. So you can leave it at due on receipt, or you can click right here and you can do net 30 if you want, net 90, or you can do a custom date if you want to do that. For me, I'm going to go ahead and do net 30, and it automatically updates the due date. If your customer has a PO number, you can go ahead and enter that here. You'll need to ask them if they have the PO number. That's not anything that you might know. Okay, here at the bottom, you can go ahead and change the currency. I usually work in US dollars, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that. Okay, so if you already set up products in your HubSpot, you can go ahead and choose a product here. I haven't set up any products in my HubSpot for this particular account, so I'm going to go ahead and click right here and create custom line item. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and name the product. So let's say YouTube console, right? SKU, that wouldn't really apply to me. Here you can write a description. This is important if you think your customer is going to be confused why they're receiving an invoice from you. So we'll just do maybe 4 hours YouTube channel content. Okay. And now we can go ahead and put the unit price. So let's say for 4 hours, we're going to do $400. So this is a certain, so the tax rate wouldn't really apply where I'm at, but it might for you. So you can go ahead and click right here, manage tax rate library, and then add in a new tax. If you have sales tax or something like that, you need to add it. So that looks pretty good for a line item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save. Okay. So now you can see the invoice from HubSpot automatically updates to what we just entered in. That's a line item, and it calculates the subtotal and total. Now you can add another product if you need to. Just click right here, add line item, and then go ahead and create another custom line item if you want. For me, this is going to work just fine, just one product. And then down here, you can go ahead and add any extra comment. Again, this is more so your client knows why they're receiving this invoice. Do not forget to pay or else. Okay. So now if you have the feature set up that your customer can pay directly through HubSpot, you can go ahead and turn that on here. And then we can also choose advanced settings. Okay. So down here, it's going to show you the URL. So you can share the URL with your customer instead of just emailing them a PDF. Also the language of the invoice that we set up, you can change that, drop down. And then, just a lot of different languages available. I'm going to leave mine in English, and then you can change it to their locale. So you can put whatever country they're in, and that way the date format matches what they're used to. So that looks pretty good to me. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on create up here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to get this screen right here. So you can go ahead and send the invoice. I haven't verified my email, so I don't have that option. So make sure that you have the correct email for your contact. That way they do receive the free invoice that you would set up through HubSpot. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an invoice in your HubSpot account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.